Hello, I am Victor and welcome to 5 Minute Lessons. This is another special episode because I invited one of my students from my classes 2 years ago. You know by now that I do invite students because I support and believe that it is important to empower them. I hope that through this program, they will continue to be motivated in learning and developing new skills and consequently, they will be able to inspire other students to share and improve their expertise too. Our guest today is going to share what Google Docs is, and he will help navigate its screen. He is also going to demonstrate some basic tasks in Google Docs, like formatting text, inserting an image, creating a hypertext, sharing and printing a document.
Good day everyone, my name is Omar and today I will be teaching you the basics of Google Docs. What is Google Docs, you may ask? Well, Google Docs is a web-based application in which documents can be created, edited, and stored online. Files can be accessed with the use of an internet connection and a full-featured web browser. Now, let's get started, shall we? First, go to your computer and open your favorite web browser. For my case, that's Google Chrome. Would like you to type in docs.google.com and press enter. As you can see right here, Google already has an array of different pre-made templates that you can use, from resumes to brochures and a lot more. But for the meantime, we will open a blank document. And this is what the inside of Google Docs looks like. So I've already created an essay document right here to speed things up. Now, if you type this normally, as you see right here in the screen, this is without the use of any formatting tools or formatting features. So it's just plain like that. And normally, professors and instructors give a certain format for you to follow. And don't you worry, I will guide you all through that. Okay, so I'd like to introduce to you the formatting toolbar right here, where you can see different options to change or manipulate the appearance of your text. If you want to change the font style, the font size, if you want to bold, italicize, or underline a text, you can find it here. If you want to change the alignment or the spacing perhaps, if you want to have a numbered list or a bulleted list, you can find it right here. Now let's put that all into use. If you want to change this title here, sorry about that, want to change this title here, perhaps you want to make it bold and increase its font size and align it to the center, then it would be much more appealing and much more formal since the title now here stands out. Now, if you want to change the alignment of this body text here and justify it just like that to make it formal as well, and to change the font style, let's say you wanted to put Times New Roman to be its font style, then as easy as that. To change its line spacing, just press this button right here. If you want to make it single spacing to make it appear more shorter, or double spacing, or 1.5 spacing. Let's choose 1.5 spacing. And just like that, the spacing has changed to 1.5. So okay, now I'm going to teach you how to insert an image. So go to image, insert tab, image, and click on upload from computer. So I found this cute image online about the immune system, so I'm going to choose this as my image. Open, and there you have it. If you want to resize your image, just click on the edge of the image and just resize it like that. If you want to move your image around, if it's in line, you can't move it freely. So I suggest you choose break text, so you can move your image freely like that, and let's put it on the center. And just like that, you now have your image. Okay, next I'm going to teach you how to create a hypertext or a hyperlink. So let's say I want to highlight this text right here and right click on it and select link. Now Google Docs will ask you for a link. So I have already prepared a link for this word right here. So I'll just paste it and click apply. Now this text right here is now hyperlinked. So if I click on it, it will show a link, and you select that, it will link you through another page, in which my case it's a definition of the word that I just created a hypertext on. So now let's say you're done with this document right here. Then let's rename our document. I'm going to rename it as Immune System Essay. And just like that, your document has been renamed. If you want to share it with your peers or your colleagues, you can just press this share button right here and share it to whomever you want. Or if you want to send it via instant messaging apps, just copy the link just like that and send it right there. And if you want to print this whole document, just go to File and select Print. And it will show you this print preview of your document. And if you're satisfied with that, then you can print. That concludes my tutorial with you guys. So thank you for watching and going through this with me, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Omar. That was a detailed tutorial and those tasks were achieved in a little time. I agree with the formatting you made. I also suggest to use the text alignment to help in making our documents look professional. I would also like to share 2 tips in Google Docs. So let's open a new document by clicking the plus symbol. Here's tip number 1. As you can see on the lower right corner, we have the Explore symbol. So let's say we would like to search about climate change. We can use this in searching for documents on the web, not only text but even images and documents from our drive. At the bottom, you see the search result. You may select one and a new tab appears. Let's say we would like to copy this selection. It is necessary that we include citations, right? To do that, we can insert a footnote by going to the Insert menu and selecting Footnote. However, you have to manually input the citation that will follow a correct citation format. Now let's remove the footnote that we added first. The good thing of having the Explore feature is it can help in writing your citation. You just have to specify what citation format you need. The options are MLA, APA, and Chicago. Let's say we want the MLA. After selecting, hover your mouse to the specific link where you got the copied selection in the Explore panel and click the Cite as Footnote symbol. Now let's take a look at our document. As you can see, we now have the citation that is following the correct format. Here's another tip. If this document is shared and you want to make a comment, just simply highlight the element like this text. Then on the right side, click the Add a Comment symbol. Then you can write your comment. You can also notify someone to read this comment by adding the plus symbol. Then we can assign to that person. Before we end this video, I would like to thank again Omar for joining me today. For questions or any feedback, kindly write on the comment section below. Please like and share this video so others will know how easy to create document in Google Docs. Again, this is Victor from 5 Minute Lessons. Thank you all for watching.